Michigan Farm Bureau Insurance Review, 2025. Is it worth it? Michigan Farm Bureau Insurance has been a trusted name for years, but is it really worth choosing in 2025? Let's explore. Michigan Farm Bureau offers auto, home, and farm insurance with competitive coverage options. Most people get this wrong. They assume Farm Bureau is only for farmers, but it's available to anyone in Michigan and provides personalized discounts for safe driving, bundling, and loyalty. You won't believe what happens next. Customer service ratings are high, with agents helping tailor coverage to individual needs, from classic cars to specialty farm equipment. Claims handling is generally smooth. Online and mobile claim submissions are supported, with most routine claims processed within a few days. Pricing is competitive compared to other regional providers, and the network of local agents provides a personal touch that big national insurers often lack. The downside is that some coverage options, like umbrella policies or nationwide travel insurance, may not be as extensive as larger insurers. However, for standard auto, home, and farm coverage, it's solid. So, is Michigan Farm Bureau Insurance worth it? For residents wanting reliable coverage, personalized service, and competitive rates in Michigan, it's a strong choice. For those needing nationwide or specialized coverage, comparing other providers is wise. The surprising truth is that regional insurers like Farm Bureau can outperform national chains in service and claims responsiveness. Sometimes the best coverage isn't the biggest brand, it's the one that knows your community.